Hello everybody, and welcome to what is going to be a series of videos as we get RM1214 ready for passenger service. Now this is the latest bus to join the Routemaster hire fleet, but unfortunately there's a bit of work needed to do on this vehicle before she can hit the road again, and we're going to document that work over the next couple of months in a series of videos for you. First of all, we had to move things around inside our unit to get her inside, and then the first job, well, that's going to involve getting rather greasy and dirty. The first thing we always do when we buy a new bus is to have a good look underneath. Until you do that, you just don't know where you're coming from. On the outside, they're probably gleaming and shiny and lovely, but underneath could tell a completely different story. So today we're going to have a good poke around, and at the same time, we're going to change all the oils on the bus. I know from previous years when I've bought buses, I always ask the vendor, when was the last time you changed the oils? Now typically they say 3 or 6 months ago, but what they're actually saying to you is they changed the engine oil 3 to 6 months ago. They didn't do the diff or the gearbox or the compressor or the flywheel, so we're going to do all those oils today. We've got a very busy day ahead of us, so let's get kitted up and let's get busy. First impressions, that's a really good bus underneath, so I'm well pleased with that. What we're doing now is, while we're waiting for the oil to drain, we're going to put the kettle on and have a cup of tea. Right, a couple of extra jobs we're going to need to do today is, because of the state of the engine oil, we're going to take the strainer box out and give that a clean, and the belts on the alternator, they're a bit worn, so they're coming off as well. One of the things we noticed when we were playing with the bus the other day is that the compressor is rather noisy. So we're going to change the oil in the compressor now, and I'll probably refill it with diff oil. That should buy us a little bit more time, as long as it's not completely knackered. While we're doing it as well, we're also going to change the belts on the compressor.
Okay, so having just topped up the differential with oil, we now move to the compressor, where we use the same AG90 oil. Let's get on with it.
don't forget your lock-in wire. You ready?
Yep.
So we're filling the flywheel now, and there's no accurate way of doing this. You just put the hole at 2 o'clock and you fill until you see your oil coming out. Right, last bit now. Put the oil back in the gearbox. 11.4 litres is what we've got to put in. You mustn't overfill. Well, there you have it. There's our first look at RM1214, and we were pretty impressed. I hope you were too. There's still lots of work to do as we get her ready for passenger service, so please hit subscribe because there's going to be loads more videos as we continue that work. If you've got any comments or questions, we'd love to hear from you as well, so please get in touch. But in the meantime, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, from Tim and from Alan and from cameraman Adam and myself, we'll see you soon. Bye bye.